So what's up guys, welcome back to channel with another amazing video. Before starting the video, here's the quick disclaimer. Before making any financial decision, do your own research. This video is only for educational purpose. So Wix has just launched their new brand new event called La Liga Arena that partnered with one of the biggest football league, La Liga Arena. So La Liga Arena, make your choice, choose a team, earn points, win reward. But only 23 days are remaining, so register now. Here you can also register here. As you see, lot of people are doing lot of reward. There the La Liga co-brand jersey. This user got 1 Ethereum. Yes, this user got 1 Ethereum. This earned 202 XT points. So let me walk you through what is this and how you earn points. Okay, there's a lot of rounds there. You can also, there's a previous round that already have been done like this with different teams, but this round 35 have only remaining 2 days, where home Barcelona FC Barcelona have 29.38%, while the Real Madrid have 57.63%. Okay, you can check the other live matches here as well. Here's another match. You can also share these matches as well. So let me walk you through how you can earn the points here. So there's a task one, new user registration. If you are new to Wix, simply register your account and link your phone number so you get 50 points. So another is first selection, so you can select your team and you can earn up to 50 points as well. As there's a lot of features you can check here. Okay, there's a third feature that is amazing. Every day you trade USDT and features on Wix, you earn points based on your trading volume. So trade 10,000 USDT and you earn up to 100 points, and like this if you trade 50,000 USDT you can earn 200 points. Like this if you invest 100k USDT you can earn 200 points as well. Like this if your investment become rising, your points will be rising. Like this if you invest 1 million USDT you can earn up to 500 points as well. There's a sports point as well. If you register you can earn 100 points. If you invite your 3 new friends you can earn up to 300 points as well. So let me show you how you redeem your reward. The redeem period is 326 531. So you can earn rewards in redeem your reward in BTC. You can earn your Ethereum. You can earn rewards in future bonuses. You can earn reward in BTC that has 70,000 points. Also, you can redeem your reward in Ethereum as well. So here's also VIP point 8 Wix La Liga co-brand jersey. Yes, you can earn Wix La Liga co-brand jersey as well on 2,500 points. You can also have got future bonus on 5. Okay, you can have a lot of rewards here as well. You can reward as a Wix football on 1,500 points. There's a VIP 2 you can on that can you earn on 2,000 points. There are a lot of things that you need. You can also simply deposit here or register your friends and enjoy the La Liga Arena. So pick your favorite team and start joining the La Liga Arena on Wix. Please don't forget and another thing before investing, or here's some rules. You can read out all this. Use the register now button to join. Complete the required task to earn points. Points can be redeemed for rewards on the event pages or join matches activities to earn more points. You can also, please, before investing anything, you can read all these rules. So please share this video to your family and friends.